In this video, I am going to show you Canon R8 slow motion settings. If you find the solution of your problem, then watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content. You can record movies at a high frame rate. This is the frame rate FPS. This is ideal for recording movies that will be playback in the slow motion. Movies are recorded in FHD, IPB, and here you will see these are the quality. And sound is not recorded in high frame rate movies. Each second during movie recording time code display advance as follow. Set to this for 4 seconds and set to this for 6 seconds because high frame rate movie are recorded as 29.97/25.00 fps movie files. They are playback as follows. Set to 199.88/100.00 fps slow motion playback at 1/4 speed and set to 179.82/150.00 fps slow motion playback at 1/6 speed. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.